Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this video we are going to create such beachy kind of dewy makeup look. For this I am firstly going to prep my skin by using this makeup base primer and which works as an illuminator too. So I am going to apply it on my face by simply dabbing it with my fingers, and look how efficiently a look has been created by using such a simple product. So you can have to prep your skin, like you have to make sure you have to prep your skin before doing any sort of makeup or whatever. You can use aloe vera gel or any kind of thing, good moisturizer or whatever, any sort of thing which you like accordingly to make sure, and don't forget your neck too. Secondly, we are done with this. Now we have to apply foundation for makeup base. So I am using this foundation for creating a solid base on my face, and this is basically a Korean foundation. Now basically I don't have such a good series of foundation because I rarely do any makeup, so this is going to be my first sort of makeup in the last couple of years. So pardon me if I do any such kind of mistake, but I make sure that whatever knowledge I have in terms of doing any sort of makeup, I am doing my best and delivering my best here. So I am just using the cushion of applying this foundation, as I don't have any beauty blenders and brushes. So thirdly, we have to cover up the blemishes, scars, in case if someone has. So I am basically use this concealer on my face to hiding out my eye bags or any sort of patches or blemishes I have. So you have to make sure that you have to apply concealer after foundation. So this is the sequence. And concealer basically people apply in a wrong way. We have to apply it under eye bags and on any sort of scars, patches and blemishes if someone has. Now just remove any sort of extra makeup. Oh my god, so much of makeup. Now I am going to apply highlighter on the top of my foundation and concealer base. So I am using a highlighter on my face. Now it's time to do eye makeup. So I have this eyeshadow palette with me. So I am just quickly going to color my eyes with pink glitter color. So I am using here pink glitter on my eyes for a base. And now I am going to apply the white glitter on this pink glitter to make my eyes looking much more in a luminous way, so that everyone can say that yes, I speak louder than words. You can apply mascara, eyeliner too, but the most important thing is you have to apply highlighter at the corner of your eyes too, to make particularly or creating such a beachy kind of look. You have to make your eyes in a glittering way, so you have to make sure that you must apply glitter highlighter or any glitter eyeshadow at the corner of your eyes. And lastly, the lip shade. So I am basically using here my most favorite lip tint from Etude, and I have to make sure that I apply 3-4 layers so that it will give a much more vibrant sort of look. And last but not the least, we have to apply something on our cheek too. So I am going to use the same lip tint on my cheek too. Yes, so yeah, let's go. So guys, I don't have any such collection of blushes or any sort of things, so basically all of my work has been done with the lip tints only. So I have used the same lip tint which I have applied on my lips, and if you want to make such a more pretty kind of look, you can apply this tint or any blush you have on your nose, on your chin, on the upper side of your upper lip area, and any such cute places whichever you like. So I am basically used to apply on my chin and the upper lip area and on nose, apart from cheeks too. So from my side, this quick to do beachy sort of makeup has been done. And yeah, how's it? I think I have just done justify with this makeup look, and let me know what other things you will be do in creating such a look and what I have missed. But basically these are the few makeup products I have used in creating this look, and you can also use setting spray for setting this look. If you like this video, and then do like, subscribe and share and follow for more. Thank you for watching.